In this video, we're going to build the Holy Grail layout. As you can see here on the right, the Holy Grail is a layout that consists of a header, a footer, two sidebars on either side of the layout, and a main content section in the middle. So let's go ahead and build this layout. So we'll reset this, start from the beginning. First off, we'll create the HTML. As you can see, we have a page container, which has a header, footer, a div, which is called the body, and the body holds two sidebars and the main content section. Now, all of these are divs, which is not semantically appropriate, but in this video we're focused on sort of a bare bones and basic implementation. Next up, we'll style the page container. So we still don't have anything in the output, but the page container here is styled with Flexbox. So you have display flex, flex direction of column, and justify content of space between with the height of 100 viewport height. So what that means is that everything in this layout, all the flex items will be laid out vertically, and because of the space between, they will expand in the vertical direction, and we'll see that in a minute here on the next one. Next up, we're going to add some initial styles. So now we have something in the output. What we've done is added a minimum height and a background color to the header, footer, and the body section. So the header and footer are stuck to the top and bottom of the layout, respectively, which is what we want. And then the body section in the middle, the point here is just to demonstrate what is happening with the initial layout with the space between, but we don't really want the body section to have these dimensions. So in the next one, we're going to use Flexbox to make the body section grow in the vertical direction to occupy all of the space between the header and the footer. All right, let's see what's next. All right, so the body section has got a flex grow of 1 applied to it. So recall that the body section is a child of the page container, which is a flex container, and which also has a flex direction of column. So when you put the flex grow of 1 on the body section, it grows in the vertical direction to occupy all of the space between the header and the footer. And of course, as is obvious, we've also changed the background color of the body section. Now we're going to use Flexbox for the body section as well in the next one. So we don't see any change in the output, but what we've done is made the body section a flex container. And our goal here is that we're going to use flex properties to distribute the space between the elements of the body section, which are the sidebars, and then the main content section in the middle. So here we're going to style the body section, and here we go. We got two sidebars now, and the main content section in the middle, and we've achieved this layout by using the flex grow property. So the sidebars have a flex grow of 1, and the main content section has a flex grow of 3, and they have of course their own background colors. So what this does essentially makes 5 equal sections of the body section, and then it divvies them up based on the flex grow property, or the flex grow property value. So flex grow of 1 for the sidebars, that means each sidebar gets 1 unit of that space, and the main content section has a flex grow of 3, so it gets 3 of those units of space. And there we go. That is the Holy Grail layout built with Flexbox. So the next one, we will look at doing Holy Grail with CSS Grid. Alright, thanks for watching. If you're interested in absolute beginner content that covers HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, be sure to subscribe for more. Alright, thanks. Bye.
Bye.